In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your recommended items in the Windows search bar. So if you click on your search bar and you're seeing these recommended items at the bottom here, then there's essentially two different ways to remove these. The first method is just by right-clicking on the application that you want to remove, and you can simply click on remove from this list. Now, the only problem with using this method is that you'll have to remove each one individually by right-clicking and selecting remove from this list. However, if you just want to get rid of this recommended list altogether, then what you can do is come over to the search bar and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select personalization, and then scroll down and select start. Then scroll down until you see show recently opened items in start, jump list, and file explorer. If you want to just completely get rid of this option, you can turn it off like so. And you also want to turn off show recently added apps like so. And you can see now that if I head over to my start menu, I won't be able to see any of my recommended apps. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.